how to add skills to players in eFootball Mobile. In order to add skills to players in eFootball Mobile, it is fairly simple for us to do so. So what we have to essentially do is we have to first go to our team and let's say game plan or player list, and let's say we want to give a player a certain skill. For example, I will select one particular player here. So once I've selected that player, what I want to essentially do is I want to go to this option called skill training right here, as you can see. So after I select skill training, I need to have skill tokens. So if I don't have skill tokens, I won't be able to allocate it, right? So what I want to do is I want to select new player skill, and you can select random or random category, and random category also you need to have. So I will just select random for now, and I'll just hit this button again, and you can see it will learn that skill. But if it already has that skill, it will say unable to learn. So you just have to keep adding because this is a random skill, you can't choose. But if it gives a new skill that the player does not have, it will be added to the skill list, and you can add a maximum of up to 5 different skills. And this way you can add skills to players in eFootball Mobile. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.